Hey everyone, welcome back to Manish. You have probably seen that clean little dynamic island on iPhones. But what if I told you you can get the exact same thing on Windows? And the best part, it's completely free and open source. Let's set up. So go to your favorite browser and search for DynamicWin. Click on the first link and it will head to the GitHub repository. Now here you can see the features that this dynamic island provides. Now scroll little bit up and you will see the releases section. Click on this version 2.0.3 and when you scroll to the bottom and you will see here DynamicWin setup.exe file. Click on this file and open the downloaded folder, and on Win setup you have to double click. Don't worry about this warning. This is because this app is not signed by Microsoft. Click on more info and run anyway. Accept the agreement and click on next. And again click on next and click on install. This will install some files to your PC. Now launch DynamicWin and click on finish. And boom, here you can see the little notch on the top. This is our dynamic island. Isn't it cool? Here you can see the info which devices your laptop is connected. Now for customizing it, you can go to your system tray and click on this icon, DynamicWin icon. Now you can configure many settings like you can enable this start on login, so when you log in to your Windows, DynamicWin will automatically run. Here you can see many features like notch. On which position do you want? Like when I hover, this notch is not opening. When I click, notch will expanded. If I enable this option on hover, the notch will. So I am going to disable it. So that's how you bring the dynamic island to your Windows PC. Clean, modern, and surprisingly smooth. If you love this setup, drop a like, subscribe to Manish, and comment Window Island mode activated below. Catch you in the next one. Stay creative, stay productive.